Step 3. Let's move on to how you're going to record your talk. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to record your short summary. Today I'm using Zoom. So to start, all you need to do is schedule a meeting. Zoom is going to record the meeting for you to the cloud, and they will send you an email with the link afterwards, which you can share with the COSPA digital team. Recording to the cloud will give you a link and the automatic transcript of your talk, which is super important. If you want to refer to any notes, you can share your screen. Make sure they're ready before you begin. There's also some really cool tools in the Annotation tab. Maybe practice this beforehand. But you can use the drawing icon to circle something if you want to draw attention to it while you're talking. Smartphones also have the capability of high-level recording. Don't forget to film in landscape mode, with the phone in a horizontal position rather than the portrait mode in a vertical position.